Hello and welcome to Moving Market Podcast Weekly Recap. Looking back to last week, it was all about the labor market. You saw the JOLTS job survey show the lowest job openings in a number of years as the labor market continues to cool. ADP jobs report was less than expected, as was the Friday jobs number as well. So as you look ahead to the Fed next week, the market expectations fully price in at least one cut by the Fed next week, and in my view, I think you'll see 3 cuts between now and the end of the year. Obviously, still a little data dependent. If the labor market remains as weak as it's shown recently, I think you will see 3 rate cuts by the end of the year. This week you have inflation, so inflation could be a little bit of a wild card near term to see if the service inflation we saw last month continues to pick up or if we're still on a good path. And assuming the inflation stays in check, I think, again, that'll confirm the 3 rate cuts by the end of the year. And then you saw a Bureau of Labor Statistics adjustment on labor. 900,000 jobs were reduced from the job count as of March. So again, confirming that the underlying weakness of the labor market that has been kind of in place over the last few months. So again, that's going to push to the Fed to continue to look to normalize and cut rates. Meanwhile, the markets remain holding fairly well ahead of the Fed next week. And like I said, it'll be interesting to see what the Fed says, because they will cut rates and their outlook after that.